Good morning, class family. It's a wonderful Wednesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team. And a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Let's start with the date. September 6th, 2023. Dear class family, today is Wednesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will identify the first letter and sound in our names. Next, we will use our sound wall. Then, we will do literacy centers. After that, we will build routines for reading books. Last, we will listen while others are telling a story. Love, Miss Joyner. All right, class family, let's look back and reread the message. Remember, good readers read things again. It's called rereading. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Let's look at the date here, and I see for the date, this month, there's the abbreviation with the capital letter S, then EPT period. What does that abbreviation stand for? You're right. If you said September, great job. Notice there's a capital letter to start. Good writers and mathematicians always capitalize the first letter in each month of the year because it's special and important. Let's reread the whole date at this time. September 6th, 2023. After the date, let's reread the greeting beginning with the word dear and a capital D like D dog D. Dear class family, after the greeting, look at the first sentence. I notice it starts with a capital letter. Good writers start sentences with capital letters. As we are rereading, notice in your brain the capital letters that start every telling sentence. All right, let's go ahead and read this sentence. Today is Wednesday. It is Wednesday, and it's a wonderful Wednesday. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every day. We're working on being a portrait of a graduate. And today, we're going to focus on being a great communicator and collaborator. Remember to speak clearly. Good communicators use their mouth to speak and their ears to listen. Now, let's go ahead and continue to reread and notice the sequence of what we're doing this morning in language arts to see what we're doing first, next, then, and last. Are you ready? First, we'll identify the first letter and sound in our names. Okay, so after we have already used our word wall as a resource to review the ABCs, letters, sounds, pictures, match that word in American Sign Language, then we're going to look back at every letter. We're going to look at our class family A to Z list with all of our names. We're going to see whose name starts with which letter, and we're going to practice saying that beginning sound. In addition to doing that with our names, we are also going to be using our names that are in the sheet protector in our supply bag. So we have our first name printed on one side in dotted print, and then on the other side, your first and last name. So we're going to be practicing with a dry erase marker to trace that so you can know how to write your name. Next, we'll use our sound wall. Okay, we will. Dun, dun, dun. You fly. And we're going to use our sound wall. We're going to figure out how to position our mouth for all of these different consonants. And we're going to review some letters today. We're going to be reviewing some ones that we were working on yesterday. Remember, capital letter O, like O, octopus, aw, over, around, close. We're going to be practicing that. We're also going to be working on 3 more round letters. We're going to do a C, over, around, and leave it open, like C, cat, cup. We're going to do Q, like Q, U, queen, quack, go over, around, close, and then slant down. We're going to work on that, and we have one more. Do you remember which one we were also working on yesterday? Do you remember? G, like G game, G. So we're going to go up, over, around, and then pull across. Okay, so we're going to be working on those letters to practice at school today. Then we will do literacy centers. We'll do literacy centers. We're going to do some of the box centers. We're also going to be using our Play-Doh again today to roll into pieces like like skinny pieces to put on top of our laminated names. So you are going to practice making those letters with Play-Doh for your names. It's going to be an awesome review today. After that, we will build routines for reading books. We're going to build routines for reading books, and we're going to see how good listeners can sit crisscross applesauce on the carpet with their hands to themselves, eyes on the person who's reading, and ears are open, mouth is closed. We're going to be looking at this book today called Happiness. We have some other books we'll be sharing today, but we'll be looking at this one and checking this out together. And last, we'll listen while others are telling a story. Oh, we will. You're practice being a great listener. It's going to be a fantastic day. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our Do You Like question for today is, do you like lunch? Oh, do you? Think about your answer. Get ready to be a great communicator and share why. Do you like lunch?